has been lenient with me. Yeah, after that 2 years. After that 2 years stay in Manila, uh, we are not, green cards are not allowed to stay more than 6 months outside US. But since it is pandemic and I have my good reason, I wasn't able to go back right away because we have no vaccine. And even if we do have the vaccine, we have only the Sinovac at the time. And I'm waiting for a vaccine that comes from the US. And so when I had the Pfizer vaccine, that was the time I was able to come back. And it so happened that my passport expired, and it's very hard to renew the passport because all of the offices are closed, and if even they are open online, only choosing few are being called to that. So it really took time for me to be able to finish all the requirements before I can go back. Finally, I was able to do it, and I'm lucky enough. I'm thankful to the US Embassy. They are helpful. Yeah, they are helpful in any way that they will always try to listen to your reason. They just don't give you what do you call judgment without first listening to your explanation. So I'm lucky enough. That's why you people there in my country, kayong mga nasa Pilipinas, kung di pa kayo nakakabalik, bumalik na kayo habang lenient pa sila. Kasi babalik yung time na pag more than 6 months ka outside US and you are only a green card holder, they will not allow you to enter. They are going to forfeit your US green card. So, lucky for me, I was allowed after 2 years. I was very happy because, it's very expensive to work on your papers. And it's not only that, you have no guarantee that you can be approved. You have to wait for the right time. Kaya kayo pong mga nandiyan at natatakot pa kayong bumalik na po kayo habang mayroon pang magandang rason. The pandemic will make them understand of the situation. Huwag nyo na pong antayin na matanggalan kayo ng green card. Alam ko pong napakahirap at magastos to be applying for that. Opo. So, ngayon, nandito ako. I'm about almost 2 months already here in the US. And it's really very hard, of course, because although I drive, I have my license, but I am limited to go anywhere because I'm old. It's not easy to keep on going there, out there, or anywhere, and you are alone. Yeah, because my daughters are all working. Uh, they have no time, to join me. They are working 12 hours a day. They are both frontliners. So it's very hard. And their free time is to sleep, yeah, to rest. Okay. So you see, quite hard. That's why I just try to. And lucky for me, when we are in Kissimmee, uh, we have a store there where, maybe later on or maybe tomorrow, I will give you a vlog of I'll be going to McDonald's, Kentucky, or I don't know about the Jollibee. I will update you when I'm there. I will go and find ways to